I'm Rev Serini, and we're in Beijing, about to get run over! So no, I'm not a doctor, but I am wearing a mask because it is so damn smoggy here, it's unbelievable. I can't tell if it's smog or mist. It's actually quite beautiful, but really, you need something over your face because, quite honestly, I think I have tuberculosis now. Let me just tell you, there's a lot of dangerous things I've done in my life, but riding a bike on the streets of Beijing, definitely one of the worst. It is gorgeous though. Did I lose Miko? I lost Miko. Cut me off! Ready for chaos? What is this? So we were riding our bikes, and past this little alleyway. And inside, a big market. Let's check it out. Oh, fuck. What's the matter?
My battery's about to die.
He's famous. Movie star.
对不对？你拿它打在身上，这个是有。
哎，
我回你们家炸油饼去吧。
给我切一块油饼啊！切一个油饼，加两个。
学你炸油饼了，回来。
好点。
Hi, I'm gonna try this. I don't know what it is, and I don't know how much it costs, so it should be interesting. I think these are tea eggs. This guy's laughing at me because I'm filming it. What are you laughing at? You make noodles? What's good?
Yeah, one of these. Yeah, set it up.
What else? Right? Is it good? Yeah? This too? Sure. Okay, then that goes in there. I like a sandwich that's bread inside of bread. That's good. That's it. And then egg, yeah, and then some noodle things. Yeah? Yeah, super good. Two. Okay, two I understand. No, we shared this. That's it. Hey. Okay. Shay. Bye. It smells really good. It's basically just bread on bread. You ever have a pancake stuff with a pancake? It's good. I like it. What is it called? They're all laughing. Come on, let's try something else. That's really good. Want to taste? That's good. Yeah.
我不会听，我不怎么听，叫老不练。
The market was amazing. People were super friendly. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel, change some batteries, and then maybe head over to 798, I believe it's called, which is the art district. I hope I don't get in an accident. So, we made it to 798, which is the art district. It used to be kind of a factory center that became defunct and got reclaimed for all these artists now to have a bunch of lofts, and just kind of a cool place to hang out. Lots of restaurants and bars and funky people. So we'll fit right in.
this what I think it is?
I believe that is a man having sex with a giant